Good morning, I'm Meishi Jiejie. Today, we are going to make a curried potatoes. We have potatoes, green onions, black pepper, and curry powder. We use cheese grinder for all potatoes. Potatoes are one of the most common and important food sources on the planet. They have vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and lots of minerals. They can reduce cholesterol levels, prevent cancer, strengthen your immune system, and also can protect your skin. Cut green onions into small pieces. Add green onions not just for the flavor, also can benefit your eyes. Curry powder, black pepper, a little bit of salt, oil, mix them very well. Turn on the heat. Use lower heat. Put in all prepared potatoes. Spread all potatoes and press them hard. Cover it for 3 minutes. Let's talk about curry. Curry can relieve the pain and inflammation, protects your heart, improves bone health, also can prevent cancer. Okay, 3 minutes already. Turn it over, then cover it for another 3 minutes. It's done. Turn off the heat. This is a very easy way to cook the curry potatoes. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.